Imagine you're thinking about a decision you made 2 years ago to buy a car. You used all of your savings to do so. Now, you decided to go back to university and study, but you don't have any money. In this situation, you might say, if I hadn't spent all my money on a car, I could go to university. We often regret decisions in the past that affect us now. It might not be good for our mental health, but it's certainly a common practice. And in grammatical terms, this is known as a mixed conditional, a past condition with a present result. If I hadn't spent all my money on a car, I could go to university. The if clause begins with if plus past perfect. And then the second part, or clause, is would, could, or might, plus the core verb. We can also use the continuous form in the second part. If I hadn't spent all my money on a car, I could be studying at university. And you can change the order of these sentences. I could be studying at university if I hadn't bought a car 2 years ago. I could be studying at university if I hadn't spent all my money on a car. Here, we don't need a comma between the two clauses, but if the if clause begins the sentence, we need a comma after it. Let's look at another example, this time a positive sentence. It presents an unreal past, which could have had implications for the present. If she had gone to the concert last night, she would be tired today. She didn't go to the concert, therefore she's not tired. And another example, if I had studied music at university, I would be a band director now. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence or two in the comments below, discussing a situation that either did, buying a car, or didn't, going to the concert, happen, and the effects of this today. Use real examples from your own life. It helps you to remember the sentences longer. We've talked about the hypothetical past, if I had done this or hadn't done this, and its effect on the present. Now let's reverse that and look at a present situation that could have affected the past. It sounds illogical, but stay with me. If I were a millionaire, I would have bought a sports car. If I were a millionaire is an unreal situation in the present. I could have or would have bought a sports car is the result in the past. And one more example. If I knew you were coming, I would have baked a cake. Now, this use of mixed conditionals is often found in American English. Brits might stick with the third conditional. If I had known you were coming, I would have baked a cake. If all of this is still confusing, watch the video again and be sure to use practice sentences in the comments below, because this is how you improve. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the OUP Learning English channel. I'm Professor Korten. See you